In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove GST on Shopify if you're no longer required to charge GST or you want to stop collecting it for a specific region. Shopify makes it straightforward to turn off. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what each action does, and share a few quick tips to avoid surprises at checkout. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and open Settings. This is where all your store-wide configuration lives, including taxes. Inside Settings, choose Taxes and Duties. This section controls how Shopify calculates and applies taxes for each region where you sell. On the Taxes and Duties page, find the country where GST applies for your store. Selecting your country brings up the region's tax configuration, including whether GST is currently active. To the right of that country, you'll see a small menu icon, usually displayed as 3 dots. Click that icon to open the Actions menu. From the options that appear, choose Remove. Shopify will prompt you to confirm because this change affects how taxes are calculated at checkout. Click Remove again to confirm. Once you confirm, Shopify stops calculating and collecting GST for that country on new orders. This doesn't change past orders, and it won't retroactively edit tax on previous invoices. It simply updates how your checkout behaves going forward. If you need to bring GST back later, you can return to the same Taxes and Duties page and add or configure the region again. A few helpful notes as you make this change. First, removing a tax from a region can affect your displayed prices and totals at checkout. If your prices previously included GST, customers might see lower totals once the tax is removed. Consider communicating this change on your storefront or policy pages if it could cause confusion. Second, tax rules can be complex and vary by location and business type. If you're unsure whether you should remove GST, it's a good idea to consult a qualified tax professional to ensure compliance. After you've removed GST, refresh your browser and, if possible, run a quick test checkout using a shipping address in that country to verify taxes are no longer applied. If you sell in multiple countries where GST or similar taxes were configured, repeat the same actions for each region you want to update. That's it. You've successfully removed GST on Shopify and updated your checkout to reflect the change.